Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your touchscreen is not responding to you on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your touchscreen is not responding to you, the first thing you should try is to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. Alternatively, you could also try cleaning your fingers. It could be that they are covered with something that is causing an interference. If that, however, does not fix your issue, and you cannot restart your phone by simply doing this, because of course your screen doesn't react to your touching, what you could do instead is press and hold these two buttons for 7 to 10 seconds. It's the power button and the volume down button, until your screen goes dark. This will cause your phone to restart without you needing to touch anything on your screen. However, if this doesn't fix your issue, you might want to try and boot into safe mode, which I will demonstrate in just a second. Now, of course, if your screen doesn't react to your touches, you won't be able to do this. So, what you might want to do again is try restarting your phone again. But this time, keep on, when you release the buttons, then immediately start pressing the volume down button again. This should allow you to boot into safe mode. Just keep on holding it until it says safe mode on the bottom left corner. It would hopefully work. Yes, it does work. So as you can see, this is now in safe mode. Now if your phone reacts to your touches, it's excellent. However, if it doesn't, you could also try removing your screen protector. By removing it, you could potentially help yourself by removing a layer of interference between the phone screen and your fingers. Alternatively, you could also try cleaning the phone under the screen protector. But if all of this fails, you might have to take your phone to a service station to get it looked at. Now, of course, I will show you how to get out of safe mode first. You could do so by simply restarting your phone. If your phone does react to this, then to touches, then you just restart, or you can also just force restart it again. This does make a screenshot because it uses the same buttons, but just keep on holding it. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.